Good evening, the Matisse Hotel. Sarah speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, Sarah. My name's John. I just have a couple of questions for you. I was wondering if a twin room is available starting Saturday the 20th for 5 nights?
I'd be happy to help. Just give me one moment while I look that up.
Sure.
Okay, on the 20th for 5 nights. Yes, there are currently 2 deluxe twin rooms available. However, one is a smoking room.
Oh, great. How much is the nightly rate for the non-smoking room?
It costs $200 per night and includes a continental breakfast. Both rooms do have a great view of the city.
That sounds nice. Is Wi-Fi included?
There is an extra charge of $10 per day for Wi-Fi use.
Oh, that's fine. I can survive without it for a few days. I'd like to book the non-smoking room, checking in on the 20th and then the 5 nights following. I'll check out Thursday morning.
Great! I can handle all of that for you. What name would that be under?
John Lee.
Thank you, Mr. Lee. I have confirmed your reservation for a non-smoking twin deluxe room for 5 nights at a nightly rate of $200. Your check-in date will be on Saturday, 20th of September, and your checkout date will be on the 25th of September. This includes complimentary continental breakfast during your stay.
Yes, that's all correct.
Thank you very much for your reservation, Mr. Lee. Do you have any other questions that I may help you with?
Yes, I have one more question. What's my earliest check-in time?
Your earliest check-in time will be 3 p.m.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Lee. If you have any other questions, feel free to call back anytime. Have a great day.
Thanks. See you soon.
Good afternoon. May I help you?
Hello. I've arrived earlier than expected from the airport. Would it be possible for me to have an early check-in?
May I have your reservation name, please?
Yes, it's under John Lee.
Thank you, Mr. Lee. Just one moment while I check if your room is ready or not.
No problem. Take your time.
You're in luck. Your room is ready. You may check in.
That's great to hear. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Do you have your reservation printed out with you? Or may I see your credit card and some form of identification?
Of course. Here are my passport and my credit card.
Thank you. Just to confirm, you have booked a non-smoking twin deluxe room for 5 nights. Is that correct?
That's right.
Great. Here are your things back and your room cards. The elevators are right over there to your right.
Thank you.
Also, continental breakfast will be served on the 2nd floor between 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. every morning.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with, Mr. Lee?
Yes, I'll be checking out early at around 6 a.m. on Thursday morning. Will there be an airport shuttle bus available at that time?
Yes, our airport shuttle bus operates from 5 a.m. every morning, and it runs every 20 minutes. You have nothing to worry about.
Fantastic. Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay at the Matisse Hotel.
Hello, room service. Kathy speaking.
Hi, Kathy. This is John Lee from room 1105. I'd like to order some food. Is it too late to order room service?
No, you may still order. Room service operates until 2 a.m.
Fantastic.
What would you like to order?
Just a moment while I look over the menu.
Sure.
Could I have a Matisse hamburger, medium rare?
Certainly. And what would you like for your drink and side dish?
French fries for the side and some sparkling water will be fine.
Certainly. Would that be all?
Yes, that'll do it.
Thank you for your order. Just to confirm, we have a Matisse burger, medium well, side of fries, and a sparkling water for room 1105.
Almost. I'd like the burger done medium rare.
Ah, yes, my mistake. My apologies. A Matisse burger, medium rare.
Great, that's right.
Your meal will be sent to your room within the next 30 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Housekeeping, this is Maria speaking.
Hi, Maria. I'm calling from room 1105. I think there's a problem with the shower in my room. It seems as though the hot water isn't working.
Oh, I'm so sorry for the trouble. Would you mind holding for a moment? I need to transfer you to hotel repairs.
Okay.
Sorry about that. One moment.
Sure.
Thank you.
Hotel Repairs, Thomas speaking.
Hi, Thomas. I'm calling from room 1105, and I'm having a problem with the shower in my room. It seems as though the hot water isn't working. I'm only receiving cold water.
I'm very sorry to hear that. We can send someone up right away.
Also, since I have you, the TV remote doesn't seem to be working either. No matter what button I press, I can't seem to get it to work.
Ah, that might just mean it needs a new set of batteries. I'll make sure our maintenance guy brings some up with him.
Thanks.
We'll have someone up there in about 5 minutes.
Great, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Doing great. Thank you for asking. How can I be of service today?
Well, it's my first time in New York, and I really want to watch a Broadway musical. Do you have any good recommendations?
Oh, yes. There are several shows worth watching. If you can get tickets. A Bronx Tale? And Mean Girls are really great. And, of course, there's Hamilton. That's considered the best show in town right now.
I've heard, but I can't imagine that's the easiest show to get into.
Yes, well, most of the big shows will have been sold out for months in advance. A handful of Broadway shows host live lottery drawings for discounted seats. You can go to any of the big theaters a couple hours before the performance and enter your name. There will be lines off to the side. Winners are given the option of buying 1 or 2 tickets, often in the first 2 rows or in the boxes.
Oh, that's nice. Do you suppose I could try that with Hamilton?
That one will definitely be the hardest to get into. However, I think it might be possible for me to scrounge you up a ticket to tonight's show if you wanted me to try.
Oh, wow, yes, absolutely.
And if it doesn't work out, you can still try the lottery on some other shows. How many tickets would you require?
Only one.
And could I get your room number?
Room 1105.
Excellent. I will call your room in the next 20 minutes and let you know.
Thank you so much. That's really kind of you.
Anything for our guests.
Hi, I would like to check out.
Certainly. May I have your room key?
Yes, I have them both right here.
Thank you very much. How was your stay, Mr. Lee?
It was great. I had a slight problem with the hot water on the first night, but it was quickly fixed. Other than that, I really enjoyed my stay.
We're very sorry about the hot water issue, but I'm glad to hear you enjoyed your stay. One last thing, I just need to check the status on the minibar. It doesn't appear you used it at all.
No, I didn't.
Thank you. Now to go over your bill. You stayed in one of our twin deluxe non-smoking rooms for 5 nights, bought 1 ticket to Hamilton, and ordered room service. Your total bill then comes out to $1,100. How would you like to pay, Mr. Lee?
I'll pay by credit card.
Thank you very much. If you could sign right here.
Right here?
Yes. Thank you. And here is a copy of your receipt.
Thank you. One more thing. Where do I catch the airport shuttle bus?
You'll be able to catch the shuttle right outside the main hotel entrance. It should arrive within the next 5 minutes.
Perfect.
Well, thank you very much for staying at the Matisse Hotel, Mr. Lee. We hope you can visit us again soon.
I definitely will. You've been excellent. Thank you.
Goodbye, Mr. Lee. Have a safe flight.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye.